What a good process should be. To meet today's high customer expectations, companies must accelerate the digitization of their business processes. In other words, reimagining the customer journey means revisiting your processes. Are they still making sense? Are they good processes to be kept? I am Florence Meunier, the founder of Lean4U.net, a consultancy dedicated to leadership training programs, coaching and mentoring, and process optimization. In this video, we will go through 6 characteristics that a good process shall have. To start with, a good process must be 1. Simple. Good processes are made as simple as possible to avoid opportunities for error in execution. Unnecessary complexity makes processes difficult to follow, and even more difficult to inspect and control. 2. Robust. Good processes are robust for various conditions and circumstances. Even unlikely inputs or environmental conditions should be accounted for and considered in the process development. 3. Documented. Without documentation, either written or electronic, the process becomes better known as tribal knowledge. Through proper documentation, the expected process is captured and can be used as a standard for process control. 4. Controlled. Good processes are executed in a controlled, managed way. This allows the process to be the same each and every time. If a process is controlled, it can be improved. 5. Communicated. Good processes are communicated to those who participate in them, those who receive the outputs of the process, and those who provide the inputs to the process. Expectations are understood and the ability to self-manage the process is driven. 6. Error-proofed. Good processes leave little room for error in their execution. Visual indicators and reminders, Poka-yoke systems, and other error-proofing techniques are applied in order to safeguard against errant process execution. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.